Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. And this video is going to be a template preview, and this week I decided to do some custom big lighters. The measurements for this will be on my Patreon page. The link is right here. The link is not right here. This is just, y'all, it's been a day. That's all I got to say. It's Monday, I'll say that. The measurements is going to be on my Patreon page. The link will be in the description box. This is what it looks like. Of course, just for the video, I just simply printed it out on printing paper. I did not laminate it, but I just taped it on there. That's why you see the glossy look on this side. But you guys, I would recommend, laminating this thing and getting this to look a lot sleeker, smoother, and professional. But you guys, this is really neat. So before you go over to my Patreon page, if you are thinking about joining, because it is towards the end of the month, just so that you are aware, on my Patreon page, it is a monthly fee which is charged every first of the month. So I would not recommend joining today, because you'll be charged today, which is the 29th, and then you'll be charged again on the 1st. So just wait until the 1st or after the 1st if you are looking to join. Yeah. So you guys, there are a ton of things on my Patreon page. If you have a business or own a shop, like, that is the place to be. It has maybe 75 different template videos. It has a ton of things that you guys can add to your shop and give to your customers. But this one, you guys, look at this. This is super cute. Super cute. Super cute. And it doesn't look bad. Like, even just, for around the house for me to have, like, paper, it doesn't look bad. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.